Good evening, friends. My name is Rajkumar Vinod Bosle. Today's date is 11 September 2021. Today's video topic is MySQL. SQL is a structured query language is used to perform operations on the record stored in the database, such as updating records, inserting records, deleting records, and creating and modifying database tables, etc. SQL is not a database system, but it is a query language. Suppose you want to perform the queries of SQL language on the stored data in the database. You are required to install any database management system in your system. For example, Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, and SQL Server or DB2, etc. Then let's see what is SQL. SQL is in short of the structural query language, and it is pronounced as SQL, sometimes or as CQL. This database language is mainly designed for maintaining the data in relational database management system. If it is a special tool used by data professionals for handling structured data. It is also designed for stream processing in RDSMS. You can easily create and manipulate the database access and modify the tables, row and columns, etc. This query language becomes the standard NC in the year of 1986, in the year 1987. Then let's see why SQL. SQL is widely used in data science and analytics for given reasons. The basic use of SQL for data professionals and SQL users is to insert, update, and delete the data from the relational database. SQL allows the data professionals and users to retrieve the data from the relational database management system. It also helps them to describe the structured data. It allows SQL users to create, drop, and manipulate the database and its tables. Then next, it is also helps in creating the view and stored procedure and functions in the relational database. Then it allows you to define the data and modify that store data in the relational database. Then last is it also allows the SQL users to set the permissions or constraints on the table columns and view and stored procedures. Then let's see some history of SQL. A relational model of data for large shared data banks was a paper which is published in the Great Computer Science Test EF coded in 1970. Let's see what is process of SQL. When we executing the command of SQL on any relational database management system, then the system automatically find the best routine to carry out our request. Then SQL engine determines how to interrupt that particular command. Structural query language contains the four components in its process. That first one is the query dispatcher, second is the optimization engines, then third is the classic query engine, and fourth is the SQL query engine, etc. Classic query engine is allows data professionals to use to maintain non-SQL queries. The architecture of SQL is SQL query subclass is the SQL language process, and subclass DBMS engine, in which SQL language process includes the parser and optimizer. That's it. Then the some SQL commands, the create command, then update command, then next is a delete command, select command, drop command, insert command. Let's see what do you mean by create command. This command helps in creating the new database, new table, new view, and other objects of the database. Thank you. That's all about today.